Hi, my name is Vanina, and I will be presenting a kindergarten lesson using cognitive strategies. Just to give you some background information, students are learning about the different seasons and their unique characteristics. During this lesson, students will be learning specifically about autumn and all the changes the season brings. Students will gather on the carpet. I would introduce the lesson by saying autumn is one of the 4 seasons of the year. Students will go into elaboration by sharing what they know about the topic. We will have a brief discussion, and I will write students' responses on the board, in this case on the leaves. This is a great opportunity to assess prior knowledge. We will watch a short video. The title of the video is Autumn is Here. I'm going to play a short clip for you.
Here. Take a look outside. Have you noticed that the air is getting cooler? That the leaves are changing color? And that it's getting darker earlier? That's because autumn is here. In most of North America, we have 4 seasons: winter, summer, and fall. Fall is also called autumn, and autumn can bring big changes.
For grouping and imagery, the students and I will discuss the new information presented on the video. We will create a web map to understand and remember information. I will once again write down students' responses on the leaves. Then we will move on to inferencing exercise, where the students and I will complete a fill in the blank. I will read the sentence and the answers and have students choose the correct one. For example, blank, change colors from green to bright yellow, orange, and red. So in this case, the correct answer will be leaves. And I will do it just like this. After that, the students will then work independently. They will engage in note-taking. In their science journal, I will have them draw one thing they have learned thus far. Students can write a sentence or a word to go along with their pictures. To support English language, the broad spectrum of language skills that we usually have in the classroom, I will display a list of keywords and pictures. For resourcing, students will use books to gather new information and write another fact or piece of information in their science journal. So one half will be something they learned from the video and we kind of like discussed and talked about, and on the other side, on the other half of the paper, it will be a piece of information that they have gathered using the resources that we have in the classroom. In this case, we have different books. Some of the books that I have here is Fall Weather, Animals in the Fall, Why Do Leaves Change Color? After that, we'll move on to summarizing. For this portion of the lesson, students will gather on the carpet once more to share their findings with the rest of the class. And then for the last piece of our lesson, students will complete a transfer activity as homework. So they will apply their knowledge and draw a picture or create a diorama of autumn. Students will consider the following questions. What do people wear during the season? How does the physical environment change? What do people, animals do during autumn? Students will have an opportunity to share their work during circle time the next morning. So that's it for my lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see your comments. Bye.